Today we're going to learn how to marble yarn, sort of like speckling, but it gives a different result. This is 1%, 2%, 3%, and 4% fluorescent lemon from Dharma. These are 100 gram skeins, so that's 1, 2, 3, and 4 grams of dye each. Then this one was over dyed spearmint breeze, bright aqua, moss, and lichen to kind of give a more textured look. This is everything you're going to need. Some urea, citric acid, dye color of choice, wash fast acid dye or acid reactive from Dharma, near boiling 1.5 cups water, a spray bottle, a syringe of some sort, glass for measuring, and most importantly, an immersion blender. About a tablespoon of urea. Looks like there's a tiny bit of pink dye in here, not a big deal. And we're going to take 2 scoops, which is a teaspoon of black dye. We're going to add some citric acid. I like using the hand blender because it completely mixes everything and prevents me from getting any crystals in the bottom of the spray bottle that clogs it and prevents it from working. For the sake of being thorough, we're going to do 2 spray bottle types, a mist and a jet, to see which one results in a better application. We're going to test both of these on a paper towel. So that's number 1, spray. And that's number 2, jet. We want our skein to be damp but not sopping wet, otherwise the dye is going to expand. So I'm going to just give it a little spritz. This is vinegar. I usually use citric acid water, but use what you got on hand, right? This will also help it fix where it lands. First up, we're going to do the mist. So let's look a little closer. It's definitely like super fine speckles. Now on this side of the skein, we're going to do the jet. I like this better. It looks like gonzo journalism writing from Hunter S. Thompson. So we're going to finish this one off with the jet. Here's the finished result. I think between the two, I much prefer the larger speckles to the tiny mist. And in the steamer, this is gonna go. People have been asking me about the steamer. I got it online and it holds several layers. So it's pretty good. 15 minutes each side. Let me go do the rest of them. Here's the finished result drying. I want to show you a close-up, but that really stuck right where it is. It looks like Ralph Steadman's ink splatter, but the yarn is dry. I'm going to cut it into minis, but I wanted to show you guys a different way to get something like speckles, but maybe a little bit different.